So here's a blacksmith shop that just pulled in. Jim is in the process of setting it up right now.
I don't think this way it's not going to work. This way on the side, is it? It's going to just swing it sideways, won't it?
Yeah, you know, that just may do it anyways.
Now don't say anything bad, I'm filming this.
Oh, wonderful. Bottom upper. Any way I can hook it.
Any way you can hook it.
Hit and miss engine to drive everything, or a 2-horse single phase motor.
Slot where it goes in, or?
Yep. Basically,
Yep, there's a
we
slot
got
there.
2 holes here, and that's where
Yeah,
we need
well, I
it
was
lined
talking,
up.
You got slots here, so
Yeah.
so don't twist. What you gotta do, so you slide it out.
Tailgate
just a little bit.
is powered down with hydraulics. The pump right there.
Oh, too far.
Not that one. The next one.
Oh, back one? Oh, then you gotta go 2 inches. Oh, right here. Oh, you're out of. Oh, you gotta go about 1/4 inch, and you're out of room over there.
There are a number of
Push it with your box.
receiver hitches,
You're off
3
here.
on each
There.
side, or post vise,
You've got a 1/4 inch to go.
anvil, etc. There's a gas forge in there that gets pulled out to the ground.
Okay, I got it now.
More
There you go.
flat belt
Oh, this side here.
run shaft machinery.
Now, are you going to leave this down?
Belt grinder.
I'll jack it back off.
Power hacksaw.
But that can stay on the tailgate because we have these set. Okay. Which one?
Oh, everything is, yeah, okay. It's got to go just about a 1/4 inch. You got yours in?
Somewhat. How's that look?
Well, you take a look, then you see how much to push it. Just a little bit.
Toolboxes, you can see the receiver hitches on each side. Post drill.
Where's your crank that fits all those? What do I, oh,
The trip
come along
hammer is
here.
now
Find
at
it.
ground level, and they're
Oh, where's the-
attaching the drive belt.
Oh, here, can you roll it the other way? Maybe not, you won't mind then. Oh, yeah. Can you roll it backwards? It'll work out.
You know what? Hold it. Why are we pissing with it now?
There.
We on?
Got my fingers out too. Now you can drop it down. It'll be tight. Yeah, that's tight.
There we go.
This wouldn't make any difference though if I got.
Okay, here's a shot of the new Jim and Lee Blacksmith shop with everything going around.